Pero, sir, do you ever wonder about the what might have been given kung anong nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon? And do you look back na you had the chance in 86 and after to have been the one na i-correct yung mga mali sa ating lipunan? Do you
not
wonder?
me personally,
Yeah.
Because
But your
remember,
group,
yes,
your generation.
because we were only soldiers. No? We looked up to the better judgment, discretion, and wisdom of former Senator, now Secretary Enrile, the late President Ramos. No? We looked up to them. They provided, you see, they provided the reform movement with the umbrella to do our thing. No?
Opo.
And we took the side of the people. No? Para sa akin, may narinig akong kasabihan. You know, we Filipinos, if you look at our history, we never miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. To us, looking back, no regrets, always lessons learned. No? That was an opportunity we lost. Sabi nga nila, what opportunities do we lose? Martial law. Ano nangyari sa martial law? Nagkasakit si President Marcos Sr. Di ba? The EDSA Revolution. 86. And, of course, people power, no? The insurgency, which brought to light problems and the root causes of these problems. Kaya siguro, paminsan-minsan, nakala nila ganun, ito si power grab, kaya ang tago na kudeta. Wala akong illusion na ganun eh. Diba? But if you are thrust into a situations like that, tatlo lang ang pagpipilian mo, Jess, diba? You fight, you flee, or you watch. Sa loob ko, isundalo ako. Ayoko naman ng tama ako ng bala sa likod. Ibig sabihin, tumatakbo ko. Harap. You cannot watch naman. And why? Because ang nakasalalay dito ay yung kinabukasan ng mga anak at apo ko.
Okay.
Yun lang ang nagdadrive sa akin. Tinatanong ako, Jess, former senator, former colonel, former rebel, former secretary, ano ba ang gusto mong gawin ngayon? Sabi ko, sa totoo lang, gusto ko lang umuwi. Siguro naman naka-boundary na ako sa public service. Pero paano naman ako uwi kung may naiiwan pa? Diba? No one is saved if some are left behind. Diba? And my country, after you look at my record, my country is my home